Okay, so this is how to find those keywords that don't have a lot of competition. And I was just playing with it, and it's actually pretty sick. And I'm gonna go into it a little bit more. So on the Ahrefs, go to Keyword Explorer. You got Google, YouTube, Amazon, Bing. You know all of them here. I don't know how many others, a few others, but just don't enter any keywords. Click the search. This is where you can get all the details, but I'm actually going to take the keyword difficulty down to 0 and apply it. And now you have all these results. Some of them I call bullshit on as far as keyword difficulty, but there were some things that I thought was kind of interesting in here. Let's go find one. I want something that at least has some decent CPC here. This BibMe thing was interesting. So let's copy that, go search it. Showing me 99 results for this. Fuck, I don't know. It's strange. But when I go through and look at some of the domains that are ranking for it, yeah, there's some high DR stuff, but when you look at the URs and the backlinks to these, a lot of them have nothing. See if we can find another one. I wonder what Skip the Games is. Math Playground. Definitely has a lot more, but probably because there's the two primary keywords. Man, I don't see. You're not going to outrank that. This is why it's coming in. UR9, UR11, UR9, UR9. So everything after the first result is pretty much no backlinks to the pages. So yeah, you probably could rank fairly easy for it. There's the other keywords. It's interesting to try. I may look into this a little more.